Good afternoon, sir, and my dear friend. Myself Vitasha and Seish Pooja Patel. We are here to present our research work on cost-effective, low-power vibration monitoring system. As vibration is a very critical parameter, its measurement is very important in mechanical and electrical industries to check the machine health.
Compared to Western countries, vibration issue is not widely addressed in India. However, day by day, industrial people become more aware about it. Because of we have to import the vibration instrument with higher prices, company's requirement is to develop the cost-effective solution for the same. As you know, vibration is nothing but a wasted energy.
The prime objective of this research work is to present prompt, cost-effective and low-power online vibration monitoring system using TI-make low-power operational amplifiers, energy-efficient and low-power regulators, V2I converters and ultra-low-power microcontroller, and also transmit the vibration signal in the form of 4 to 20 milliampere and also provide wireless vibration monitoring solution.
In India, there is a very little amount of work done on vibration parameter. So we had make the comparison of different make vibration monitoring system. You can see that this Fog Marshall, Emerson, CTC and last column is our proposed one specification. You can see these all three companies are foreign companies and our specification is comparable with all standard make instruments. However, virtual instrument based solutions are available for vibration monitoring system, but they are very expensive and consumes high power, so it is not suitable for hazardous application. Now, I can explain the basic block diagram of our proposed system. We use AC1021A accelerometer which can sense the vibration in the form of acceleration. This current source provides the constant current to the sensor and also retransmit the signal towards the signal conditioning circuit. The output of the signal conditioning circuit is fed to the microcontroller analog input. The inbuilt ADC of microcontroller converts the analog signal into digital one and also display the value of vibration in the form of acceleration as well as in velocity on the LCD display. Now see, this is the basic specification of our sensor and this is the circuit of current source which is designed by ourselves. In this particular circuitry, very basic electronic components like LM386 Zener diode and transistor pair is used. This current source is temperature compensated and its cost is very low, so it is very useful to reduce the overall cost of our system. Now, for vibration measurement, effective design of signal conditioner is very important to convert the continuous time dynamic signal into appropriate usable form. Here, AC coupled amplifier is used to remove DC offset voltage from vibration signal. Occurrence of vibration signal is in the range of few hertz to few kilohertz. It depends on the RPM of machineries. So, it is desirable to apply filtration on signal. Here, band pass filter is designed with pass band frequency of 5 Hz to 10 kHz which attenuates the low frequency signal output during integral action. As velocity data is very useful to analyze the deterioration rate of machine health, so the next part of our system is precise integrator which is used to convert acceleration signal into velocity. As integrator exhibits offset, AC coupled amplifier is again used. Converted velocity signal is AC signal which cannot be given to ADC of microcontroller. So, precise rectifier is used to convert bipolar signal into unipolar signal. Now, as a part of challenge, we did comparative study of different make op-amps with the results and finally we selected low power, dual supply and precise TI make OPA4170 operational amplifier with low quotient current of 110 microampere, low offset voltage of 2 millivolt, low offset drip of 0.3 microvolt per degree centigrade and bandwidth of 1.2 MHz, which is best suitable for proposed solution.
For proposed low power solution, we need to select each components having low power consumption. So power supply management unit is very crucial part of system design because of industrial application where 18 to 36 volt is available. We use TI make low power switching regulator TPS 54062 to provide regulated 3.3 volt DC to analog circuit with the efficiency of more than 75%. For dual power operation of op-amp, TI make TPS 60400 is used to generate minus 3.3 volt from plus 3.3 volt supply with the efficiency of 98%. For digitization and further process of analog velocity and displacement signal, MSP 430 is used with internal 200 kilosamples per second ADC with DMA access and 12-bit DAC. 16x2 LCD display and keypad is interfaced for display and human interface. For telemetering purpose, low power TI make voltage to current converter XTR117 is used to convert velocity or displacement data in the form of 4 to 20 mA signal. Total current consumption is less than 10 mA is best suitable for hazardous application. This slide shows the flowchart of program code which is self-explanatory. This is simulation results of acceleration to velocity converter. Test signal with different amplitude and frequency is provided for function generator to generate constant vibration. After comparing the result with standard data, we achieve accuracy better than 2.5% with good temperature stability. As example shown here, calculated velocity is 0.435 inch per second and measured velocity is 0.440 inch per second. So good accuracy is achieved using this system. It is the hardware model of the proposed system. Experimental result shows that at synchronous speed, vibration is minimum. As we increase or decrease the speed of motor, vibration is increases. From measured velocity data, health of machines can be continuously monitored. Here, alarm and trip indication will be provided for predictive maintenance which enhance the safety level. From all these, we can conclude that proposed powerful analog circuit eliminates the use of digital signal processor and also enhances the accuracy and resolution level. The total number of components used in this circuit is less, compact and inexpensive. For future extension, we will provide wireless connectivity like Zigbee or Wi-Fi for wireless sensor area network. Hope the promising and interesting remote vibration monitoring and analyzing shall keep attracting for the further research.